Vimeo pricing. Watch before using. If you're considering Vimeo for your video hosting needs, this video is for you. Vimeo is a platform built for creators, professionals, and businesses looking for high-quality video hosting, sharing, and monetization. It's packed with features like advanced privacy controls, customizable players, collaborative tools, and seamless integration with editing software like Final Cut Pro and Adobe Premiere. Vimeo is ideal for filmmakers, marketers, and businesses focused on brand quality, as well as educators and event hosts who want reliable streaming options. However, understanding Vimeo's pricing is critical before you commit, as it can vary significantly depending on your needs. Vimeo offers 5 main pricing tiers: Basic, Plus, Pro, Business, and Premium. The Basic plan is free, but it's very limited, offering just 500 megabytes of weekly uploads and lacking advanced tools. If you're a casual user or a beginner, this might suffice, but most professionals will find it inadequate. The Plus plan, at $12 per month when billed annually, gives you 5 gigabytes of weekly uploads and unlocks some privacy settings and player customization. It's a solid choice for individual creators who need a bit more flexibility. For more serious needs, there's the Pro plan, which costs $20 per month annually and supports up to 20 gigabytes of weekly uploads. This plan is designed for small teams or individual professionals who require video collaboration and review tools, along with advanced analytics. The Business plan, at $50 per month annually, provides unlimited storage, team collaboration, lead generation tools, and full player customization, making it ideal for marketing agencies or small businesses. Finally, the Premium plan costs $75 per month annually and is perfect for large-scale users needing live streaming capabilities, dedicated support, and robust analytics. This tier is targeted at enterprises, event organizers, or anyone relying heavily on live video. It's also worth noting that Vimeo allows you to sell or rent your videos through Vimeo OTT, but this comes with additional costs and revenue sharing fees. While Vimeo's features are robust, its pricing can quickly escalate, especially for higher tier plans, so it's crucial to evaluate whether its tools align with your goals. If you're looking for a premium video hosting platform with strong branding and control, Vimeo is worth considering. However, if your needs are basic or you're cost-conscious, you might find other platforms like YouTube or Wistia more suitable. Now you know the ins and outs of Vimeo's pricing. Choose wisely based on your specific needs.